Alright, so this is the powered, driven chainsaw mill. The 12-volt motor here, powered by a 12-volt battery with the speed controller, will control the feed rate of the saw. And to pull it back, we'll simply pull the cotter pin out and then unspool the string. And that'll get us back to the original start position. So I'll hold on to this and I'm going to show you how to unbuckle the guide rails, unattach the guide rails from the log. Get leveling pins as you typically have. I'll come down to the other end and we'll see how we hold it on. There's simply two spike bolts that hold it in. Now, once your log's cut flush, you don't need to pull this out, but I'm going to pull it out to show you what it looks like. So once you get this set right, this is what it looks like. And as you tighten these down, this drives into the log and attaches the rails to the log. So once you get this top piece off, you just reset it down every time, and it goes really fast. So we'll show you how to do that next. But I'm going to pick this rail assembly off and we'll get down to the next piece of wood. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'll pause that, Amy. Alright, so we'll see what our cut looks like. I do have a brand new skip chain on there versus a standard chain. Zoom in here, 80, and let's take a look. That's a really nice cut. But I haven't seen the difference between this and a standard chain. I'm going to put a standard chain on next, and I'd bet the finish is the same. It just takes a little bit less of a bite, and the saw produces a little better chips with that skip chain. So this is some hickory wood, and comes off really nice. All right, you can pause that. So once you've got your first cut off, you've got a flat surface to work with, it'll go pretty quick. We don't have to change the height adjustment. We've already pulled the cotter pin out, so it'll free spool. Bring the saw back to the starting position. Then we'll set it up on the log and it'll be ready for the next cut.